Do you want to learn few ways that will help your child be more interested in reading, even when they run away from it? Yes, it is possible. Hi, my name is Zainab Asif and I am the lead child psychologist here at Little Leap. And today I'll be discussing and talking about how to help children struggling with reading. You see, no matter if your child is a new reader or what skills they already have, an adult's role is very important and crucial to take your child from one level to the next level and make that leap of learning. Now, the first and the very common thing that we see with reading and kids is that they would be able to read the sentences or the words, but they won't be able to comprehend what is written. That means they would be able to read the words and the sentences, they would be able to read the whole story, but they won't be able to understand what the story was about or comprehend what the whole plot line was. So here it is very important to tell your kids to slow down and reread. Slow down, it's not a race. We have to understand the text, and that is what is more important. Slow down, read the sentences again. If your child is unable to understand few words, tell them to list them down, and together you with your child can search the meanings of those words and make sense of the sentences or the phrases, and altogether the whole story. Secondly, listen and follow. So as you know, kids love to copy what others are doing, right? So what better opportunity to take this as an advantage? So model the behavior and the skills that you want your child to have or possess. So for example, listen and follow. Ask your child to listen while you are reading and follow what you have read. So once you start reading, make sure you focus on the pauses, the expression, and the voice modulation. Ask your child to follow you exactly like you read. And just in no time, you will see your children becoming great readers. Third, paired reading. It is one of the best examples to teach young readers about delivery of dialogue, tone, and the interaction between two characters. So take up few characters for yourself and give few characters to your children while you're reading. And follow a back and forth conversation. It will also help your child to understand the fluency of conversation and reading. Fourth, if you see your child struggling with reading by focusing on one word, taking a long pause, and then going on to the next one, teach a technique that is known as the scoop technique. So instead of focusing on one word, taking a pause, understanding the next word, and then reading it, ask your child to scoop a whole sentence or a phrase. Take one sentence together and try to read the whole sentence together. The scoop technique helps your children in understanding and reading better. So instead of focusing on one word at a time, you scoop the word and you focus on a whole sentence and read it together. For example, if the sentence is, "The bear was angry," you might see the child focusing on one word and taking a pause, like "The bear was angry." Instead, tell your child to scoop the sentence and read it together. Scooping will help them in understanding that they have to read the whole sentence together. The bear was angry. It might take a little while to understand this technique and to follow it, but be patient with your kids. So next time you see your child struggling with reading or being not interested in reading, sit with them and try these techniques to make them better readers and make them more interested in reading. Also, do check out our other videos on how to make your child effective readers and writers. And do like, share, comment, and subscribe to Little Leap.